Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rinky Sisodia, MDS in Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry and the founder of Edu Udaan Academy, your trusted guide for NEET MDS preparation. I have been mentoring dental graduates for years and recently I help students preparing for the MPPSC dental surgeon exam with an intensive 2 months crash course and many of them scored brilliantly in the exam. And now I'm bringing that same focused, result oriented approach to NEET MDS 2026. The good news is that those MPPSC dental surgeon crash course classes are now being uploaded right here on our YouTube channel completely free, and they will be extremely useful for your NEET MDS concepts too. So don't forget to subscribe our channel Tooth Doctor at the rate of Dr. Rinky Sisodia 1607 and press the bell icon so you never miss an appointment. At Edu Udaan, we understand the struggle that you are going through, the vast syllabus of NEET MDS, limited time, and lots of confusion about where to start. That's why we have designed the Edu Udaan Taskmaster Crash Course, a 6-month structured plan for NEET MDS 2026 preparation. And you'll get in this course live and subject-wise video lectures covering the entire NEET MDS syllabus, e-notes and concise revision sheets for last minute's preparation, topic-wise MCQs practice with detailed explanation, mock test and all India rank analysis every month. So doubt solving support will be there through our Telegram discussion group and Taskmaster Tracker, your personalized daily progress calendar. And the best part is access is valid till the NEET MDS exam gets over 2026, even if the dates changes. And we are doing some new additions for 2026, that for NEET MDS 2026 we are bringing some exciting upgrades like image based questions practice portal for real exam type exposure, live mini revision sessions on YouTube every weekend, and free downloadable topic checklist and hide PDFs every month. Study with me, live session to help you stay consistent and accountable. So, if you are serious about cracking NEET MDS 2026, this is the right time to start. Join our Edu Udaan crash course, structured, smart, and stress-free learning designed for your success. To enroll, visit our website edudaan.co.in or message us directly on WhatsApp 7974 1275855 for details. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your dental friends, and stay connected for upcoming free classes and guidance session. Remember, consistency builds confidence, and let's make your NEET MDS dream come true together with Edu Udaan. See you in the class soon. Thank you.